Hi, welcome to Julia Programming for Beginners, and today we'll be looking at how to do visualization in Julia. Today I'll be using the Prairie Learn environment provided by University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign for the data science course that I'm doing. So let's start with the basics, how to plot in Julia. For that, we'll need a few packages first. If it's not installed, you can install the plots package to start this codings. Let's say we have a few vectors. For example, maybe x with some values. Let's take y. And let's take another one. So we'll start our plotting with this. Let's start getting them in a begin to end block. Let's do our first plot. We'll use the plot function here directly. And let's see if we can plot x and y. So our first plot is done. What happens, what to do if we want to change the type of the plot? We can add keywords inside our plot function and change the series type. Maybe we want a scatter plot instead. See, the plot has now changed to a scatter plot. In a similar way, we can add keywords for different items of the plot like labels, legends, title, font, marker size, anything you want. For example, if we want to add X label, see, it's showing us the X label that we have put inside the plot function. What happens if we want to plot multiple series? Maybe I want to plot X and Z in the same axis. We want to use the plot function but with an exclamation sign. That will make sure that a new plot is not created, but the series is added inside the old plot. Okay, so we got a scatter plot, we got a line plot along with the same, along with the old scatter plot that we had. What if we don't want to put them together but side by side? Let's try. Maybe I want to plot a pie plot of the vector x. X series type would be pi. And maybe I want a bar plot for the vector y. And then I want to plot them side by side. Well, plotting two different plots by side. We can we can use subplots in any configuration that we want using this function. Let's say how to make a histogram. For the histogram, we will need the statistics package as shown in the beginning. It's pretty straightforward. Histogram of X. What if we want to define the beans? Maybe we want 10 beans. So the histogram function can take keywords like beans and change the histogram as you want. That's it today. Thank you.